Oh my god, this view, crazy. Hi! So we're leaving now and then we'll first go to the institute, but like today we're free. So I think we'll roam about for a bit. I don't know where, so yeah. Final check if we've left anything, doesn't seem like it. Preeti charger. All good?
Yes, all good. I still do so.
Okay. I mean, you're not an Indian without it, so.
প্রীতি আসছে
আর হবে?
No space.
Sorry, Preeti. It is very sunny outside. Tab is here. We're gonna put all the stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I'm protecting myself from the Janleva sun.
Younger sibling vibe.
Finally entering Aizer Bhopal. Yay!
नंबर ले लीजिए, बता देना कॉल करके अगर कहीं आना हो भोपाल में तो।
अच्छा. बहुत प्यारा सा एक ग्राउंड है, यहाँ पे सब लोग खेलते हैं. दिस इज़ द रोड. उस साइड पे काफ़ी हॉस्टल हैं, तो अभी तक तो मैंने हॉस्टल 8 तक सुना है, बट आई डोंट नो टोटल कितना है. दिस पर्टिकुलर वन इज़ हॉस्टल नंबर 3. ये है एंट्रेंस और यहाँ पे एक वेंडिंग मशीन भी रखा हुआ है. वी जस्ट मेड द पेमेंट, सो आई थिंक ओके. Oh my god. Anyway, so our rooms is on the first floor. I'll give you like a first view of the hostel. This is where we entered from. This is like a small area, and we'll get on the lift. Although it's just one floor, but we have luggage, so. Ours. Let's have the first look.
Bro, I need a lot.
They gave us bed sheets also.
Yeah.
They made it for us. So now let's see the view. Okay. Really nice. Let's see Preeti's room. You know, I really love how they have these like pull-over tables that you can.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Let's see how Preeti's room is. It must be same room. It's nice. It's really nice. The corridor, a lot of sunlight, lighting areas. People are drying their clothes directly in the sunlight, which is a good thing. And so yeah, this place is really nice. And so this is the room, and so we're having our first meal at Aizer Bhopal, and I'll show it. How's the food? So this is food, and all of this is for 70 rupees. Do you like the food? Okay, I'll eat now. Bye. So we're going for a trekking right now. So what's the place?
मनोहर की टेकरी।
Yeah, so we're going
हनुमान
for trekking.
मनोहर की टेकरी।
And guys, stop later.
ये कर लो पहले तो.
हनुमान की टेकरी।
Okay, so जो भी है जा रहे trekking करने, and then we'll come down the ropeway because there's also ropeway. So yeah.
And another thing, just now we had a lunch
Yeah.
and now we are planning to go for a trek.
Yeah.
ये फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी का। फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी का
There's some mandir up there. So the mandir that we could see from the road itself, that's the Jain temple. and that's where we'll go. We're starting the trek now. So it has a slight incline, not much. This is where the auto dropped us off, and so now we're starting our trek. And this is a Bajrangbali Mandir in the middle of nowhere, and it looks so nice, like the perfect setting. There's rocks and everything. Real pretty. Jai Bajrangbali. Casually walking and bumped into 2 more mandirs, and then just look at the view. And there is not even that much of an altitude, to be honest. Wow. Pleasant weather. हाँ भाई, आइजर कोलकाता छोड़ के भोपाल में आने का मन कर रहा है ना?
View. I like the view.
पर पैसा तो दिया ही नहीं कुछ. वसूल क्या किया? ये जूता यहीं पे खोल लेते हैं. ठीक है. वो make way. No, it's a lake.
এটা এরপরেই লেকে যাও, হ্যাঁ এরপরেই লেক।
Aimly, there was this bhaiya who was, he's still there by the way.
पक्का वाला है, इसमें तो पक्के है।
कौन सा पका? ये तो सारा कच्चा ही है. शो
Kachcha is very good.
ओए मेरा फोन गिरते गिरते बचा रहे. The views. Wait. Wow. This road, but we could also take this road, which Shubhankar doesn't agree to. Be careful.
इसमें फुल स्लीप पहना है।
Exit please.
नो गो।
बहुत एडवेंचर हो गया गाइस.
नहीं हो। और जास ना दिखे। नैरो लेन, नैरो।
Reached the mandir. Beautiful rock formations. It wasn't that difficult to trek. It was fine only. I finally reached the viewpoint. I think there's this little park of sorts, and then there's places to sit and eat. This is a lot like Purulia only, no?
मामा भाग ने पहाड़ kind of.
जॉय चुंडी पहाड़ दिए. So यहाँ उतना कुछ है नहीं, and इस साइड से I think लेक उतना दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, but you can see the city. So I'll show you the view. So this is the view of the entire city, and that is where the lake starts, but essentially the lake is on that side. So from here we're not being able to view the lake. A little, oh yeah, from there a little you can view it. So there's the lake. That's it. This is the view. Hey. So we're having coffee and french fries with this view. So it's around 4:30 right now, and the mandir is open now. So अब हम लोग मंदिर में जा रहे हैं. एक यहाँ पे रखूँगी और दूसरा थोड़ा दूर पे रखूँगी, तो कोई चोरी नहीं कर पाए. To wear a chunni before going into the mandir. I'm gonna give this to you now because you'll go in. Yep. Hi, inni Sony. I was amazed at the intricate details at the mandir, and just the view from up there was to die for, I swear. But then we hadn't even seen the best part yet. It was just the golden hour, and then there was this thing beneath the temple. Like, we had to go around it, and then at the back there were the most beautiful view and the most beautiful rock formations that I had ever seen in my entire life. Oh my god, this view, crazy. Gosh, look at the rock formation and the view. Damn. And there's a mandir. I was inhaling the culture and history there. It was so rock solid, and before I knew it, I fell in love with the entire city. The sunset from here looked so good, and I don't understand how all the buildings are white. I mean, is that on purpose? I don't know, it's just an observation. And the lake, it's massive. It just looks like one of those rivers, and then the sunset started looking something like a supernova, if you will, you know. It's hands down one of the best sunsets I've seen in my life. We stayed there for a while, clicked many pictures from many angles. Group picture, single picture with every person, with the sun, not with the sun, you get it. So now we'll go down in the ropeway. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was not 100% honest with my friends about how I felt getting on this. I mean, I don't think any of us were, because it was honestly a little scary. Was I scared about the maintenance? Yes, definitely. Was I worried that we would fall on rock and probably die on the spot? Yes. But the scariest part was probably the fact that this ropeway cable was wobbling the entire time. Like, you can see that on the camera too. So yeah, I mean, we were all scared, but we didn't show it because... So you can see the entire city's view. You can see the train as well. कल शायद हम लोग ऐसे ही एक ट्रेन में आए थे. So after doing so much of recording, my battery got completely drained and I couldn't record much at the lake. But oh my god, Bhopal is the city of lakes, and can you see the irony? I couldn't record at the lake. That's fine. We got back to campus and we enjoyed a bit more. But then we had to get ready for the big day tomorrow because we're going on the workshop.